All right, what's good, YouTube? So it's your boy Curves out here. We have another live stream, well, live trade, but we're here with the boys. We're here, David, Hart, and JD. So say hi, guys.
You already know what's up.
Yes, sir. We're in the Discord right now. Yeah, it's currently what time is it? 8:27. And we're waiting for this news to come out, giving us a little bit of a bias. It's 8:28 right now, so I'm gonna put this in my other monitor. Alright, so this is the first trade for the funded account. Haven't uploaded anything besides the day in the life, but this is the first trade for the funded account. Probably overconfidence and really just executing too aggressively, and then what I'm gonna do with this funded account, risk 0.5, and I'm gonna wait for a break of a candle and then execute. Make sure the momentum is going in my favor, and I don't need to trade if I don't see anything. So just reminding back my psychology on that. So you're gonna just take one trade a day. Most of the people can't do that. Most of the people can't even follow one trade a day. What they're gonna do, take fucking 10 50 fucking trades. You know what I mean? So this just shows that, look, it's the authenticity. I can't even fucking speak, but like, this just shows that as a real trader, man, like, you gotta follow your rules. And what happens when you follow your rules? You have more opportunities. Alright, I'm gonna explain you guys my strategy. It's simple, man. It's a basic supply and demand, and within that, in supply and demand, you can combine it with anything. You can combine it with support and resistance. You can combine it with ICT. It's basically understanding what the business of the market is. Who are the big banks? Who are the institutions? So if you know who those are, they are the one who are moving these markets. And for you are not creating the opportunities. They are. So for you as a trader, your job is to find the opportunities, make sure you have an edge, and you can do it every day, repeatedly. For me, I tried ICT, I tried the SMC, I tried Fibonacci and shit, OTE. All of those is just based on supply and demand and institutional order flow. So I'm just teaching what I know. So basically, what supply and demand is. So that's what a supply and demand is. It's just understanding what the business are. Let's say this. Look, this is a fair value gap. This is where the movements start. So which means we're gonna take a rectangle, we're gonna put our zone there. That's gonna be the demand zone. And what we're gonna do is wait for that to come down and come back to this zone, so that we look at the rejection, and then if you see a good rejection, that's where you enter. A supply is a big push up. A demand is a big push up, creating a BOS, which means a break of structure. A good BOS, which means a body breaking a high to the upside or breaking a low. Now it's retracing back this GU to this demand, and we still have this gap right here. When we enter, we look for rejection. We look for a break of a candle and just a huge movement to the upside. And that's initially what supply and demand is. Okay. If this thing breaks, I entered on that, entered for a buy. AUD. as well for 1-to-1 for this is what 1 to 3.5. To the downside, I might close this. Alright, I'm closing this. I'll take that. I'm gonna wait for another setup, see if I could do a little bit better of yeah, I might enter for GU. $2.7, so alright, I bought for GU 5.4, buying for GU for my hacker trade. Alright, there we go. It's 58, a lot of momentum to the upside, hitting $200 in profit. $300 in my demo. Basic hands off, bro. Basic. It's a lot. It takes a toll in your psychology, but you gotta be patient. You need to. Alright guys, we're back. Looking based on this volume right now, we are ascending right now to the upside. Let's see where we can take our profit. Only risking 0.5%, guys, so I'm not trying to be greedy here. Just looking at the setup, just looking at the take profits, where can I take my profit, and really just being patient here. Really aiming for 1 to 2, 1 to 3. If it doesn't give me that, I'll take anything. The sellers, he just tapped into the supply. Let's see if this beats. Alright, I'm gonna close that. Close that as a 1 to something. How much do I make? $66. There we go. Which is nothing. It's literally break even. So
Was that on your live account?
yeah.
Oh wait, isn't this your first trade?
Yeah.
Shouldn't it be like 400 or something?
No, because I lost earlier.
Oh right, we traded earlier. Probably could have managed my decision making better, because the only thing I didn't see was probably the zone. Probably would have held if I knew it tapped. But I pretty much like
Okay.
It's a good trade though.
It's just a 1-to-1, yo.
Yeah.
You know, give myself a little. At least I'm in profit for my